Juvenile offenders, individuals under the age of 18, accused or convicted of committing crimes, are entitled to a range of legal rights that distinguish them from adult offenders. These rights are designed to protect their well-being, recognize their developmental differences, and support their potential for rehabilitation. One fundamental right is the right to due process. Juveniles are entitled to be informed of the charges against them, to have legal representation, and to receive a fair hearing before an impartial judge. The right to counsel is particularly important. If a juvenile cannot afford an attorney, the court must appoint one. Juvenile offenders also have the right to remain silent to avoid self-incrimination, mirroring protections provided by the Fifth Amendment. They must be advised of this right, as established in the landmark case in Rego, 1967, which extended many of the procedural safeguards of adult criminal courts to juveniles. The proceedings in juvenile court are typically more private than adult courts. Hearings are often closed to the public to protect the juvenile's identity and privacy. In addition, records of juvenile proceedings are generally sealed or subject to limited disclosure, reducing the long-term impact of youthful mistakes. Another key right is protection from cruel and unusual punishment. Juveniles cannot be sentenced to death for crimes committed while under 18, and recent Supreme Court decisions have placed significant restrictions on life without parole sentences for juveniles. Finally, the juvenile justice system emphasizes rehabilitation over punishment. This focus influences sentencing, with courts often ordering counseling, education, community service, or other programs aimed at helping juveniles reintegrate into society. These legal rights reflect society's recognition that juveniles are fundamentally different from adults and deserve opportunities for reform and second chances.